put some slices of cucumber. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Manpreet and I hope you all are doing good. So it's new day. I'm also trying to experiment something new. Actually from last few days I was having problem of waking up early in the morning. So now I just decided that I have to wake up early in the morning. So today I did that. I woke up early and after that I went for morning walk. Actually used to go for इवनिंग वॉक्स एंड वो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं लग रहा था. सो दैट्स वाई आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल गो फॉर द वॉक इन द मॉर्निंग. सो या, and the other thing which I am trying to incorporating in my life is that I have decided to drink this detox water every day. I put some slices of cucumber and an apple into it. I cannot put lemon slices because I have tonsils, so I cannot have citrus fruits. So yeah, these are the two things which I am trying to apply. This drink will be the first thing which I will have in the morning on an empty stomach. After that I will go for my morning tea, which is very addictive. I cannot live without that, but not first thing in the morning. Yeah, and also today I will try to make pancakes for my daughter because she doesn't like to eat same thing every day. So उसे होता है कि वो कुछ ना कुछ change करती रहे. So I will try pancakes. Actually I am trying them for the first time. I never made them before. And I saw a tutorial on YouTube how to make pancakes. Now I know that what are the ingredients which I have to use and how to prepare them. Let's see what happens. So I got ready. I have to go to the mall to buy some stuff for the home. And also guys, I want to share my experience of pancakes with you all. Pancakes were amazing. मैंने expect नहीं करा था कि result इतना अच्छा आएगा. I was very nervous before making them. उनका taste बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा था and this was my first time. Definitely I will try them in the future as well. Okay, so now I will leave for the mall. So guys, I'm back from the mall and I just quickly want to show whatever I got from there. And the first thing which I got is this jug. Actually my husband wanted to buy this, so that's why we got it. So got these cute cups and these balls. Actually I want to use these balls for dessert serving actually. So yeah, I got them. I also got a new zipper for my daughter. I actually liked this color over there, so I got it in this one. which I got is these sticky notes. Actually, I wanted these from a long time. So I saw over there and I got these. So ghar aate aate we got late, so it's almost night and I have to prepare dinner now. Good morning everyone. It's such a lovely bright day and I had my breakfast as well as my morning tea along with that detox water, and now I'm out from the home. Actually, I'm standing in front of my home where I have grown some veggies and some other plants. Actually now I have to prepare lunch. That's why मुझे कुछ veggies वगैरह लेनी थी. I will just collect them. And also guys, I just want to share that I am standing in front of the sun and the sun is shining at its peak, but I'm not feeling that kind of humidity, that kind of irritating hotness. So it's just cozy, and I hope that upcoming days of autumn become more cozier so that I can enjoy outdoors more than the indoors. With veggies, I plucked some rose flowers because I want to try rose tea today. So I have prepared my rose tea and the petals have changed their colors. Actually जितना भी red color था ना वो टी ने absorb कर लिया है. Now let me try it. Wow guys, it's such a treat. I mean इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा टेस्ट है ना इसका. I love it. And I will also have some sweet treat with it. This is the first time I'm trying this kind of tea, but definitely I will try it in the future as well. Guys, I haven't finished this book yet, so before autumn I just want to finish it because काफ़ी time हो गया इसे start करे हुए. Actually because of some responsibilities, I am not getting time nowadays for reading, but I know that this is not a good sign because reading is such a therapeutic hobby which I have been incorporated in my life from a longer period of time, but nowadays I am not getting time, so I am feeling little bit sad. I just feel like that I am a kind of being detached from this, but now I'm trying that I will definitely have time to read it. And actually now my daughter is sleeping and my husband also went for his work, and I'm free now, so instead of having a nap I will just try to finish this one. guys, first thing first, which I want to share with you all, that I did reading for solid 25 to 30 minutes today, but after that my daughter woke up and I couldn't continue. I did some other household stuff like laundry and all, and approximately around 5 p.m. my husband came back home and we went to the market. I went to the clinic as well for my tonsils. Also we went to the Apollo pharmacy, and buy one get one scheme was going on over there, so we got some stuff. My husband got a body spray for him, and I got these floor cleaners for my home, and actually they are in the lemon fragrance, and I think that this kind of fragrance is good for the home. Actually इसके साथ ना काफ़ी freshness feel होती है, so that's why I got them, and I got them for 100 rupees only. In one of my videos I shared with you guys that I make pajamas from scratch, so I'm very excited to try these. And I also got my pajamas stitched. Actually on the way back to home I collected these also. I also wanted to take my daughter to the park, but I couldn't because of the time restraints, but I will definitely go some other day, maybe tomorrow or some other day. And yeah, so these were the things which I did today. And now I just have to make rajma chawal. जो राजमा है उनको भिगो दिया हुआ था सुबह ही, so now I just have to prepare them and then I will eat. So guys, I just put myself together to end this video and also to do my night skincare routine. I'm using this face serum which claims to have niacinamide by Dot & Key, and it also helps to reduce pigmentation. Actually I have some. I'm using this serum for the first time. Products by Dot & Key are superb, so that's why I just wanted to try this as well, and I got it. Now I will see what will be its result. थोड़ा मेरे ना मुंह के अंदर चला गया, so I can taste that. I use Dot & Key's moisturizer as well. Actually guys, I am super tired now. Actually in order to have productive days in life, we need to be extra strong also. And I don't sleep during daytime. I just want to utilize my whole time doing household work, filming a video, taking care of my daughter. So this is a kind of routine which I follow every day. And now I was not in state of doing skincare today, but we should not miss it, because I know that skincare is very important for us all, so we should not miss it. So now I just need solid 6 to 7 hours of sleep in order to re-energize myself. But first of all, मैं अपनी daughter को सुलाऊंगी and then I will sleep. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will meet you with new upload. Till then, bye bye. Take care.